Hey folks, it's me again. We're getting ready to plant some potatoes out in my backyard. We've got 2 bags of 5-pound potatoes, one red, one yellow. Last year we planted one and got about 20 pounds. So I'm really looking forward to this year, hoping that we can double our harvest and continue our success. So stay tuned and here we go. All right, folks, we're going to plant some potatoes and some onions. Now what we got here, we got at the Tractor Supply Center. We got some white onions, because that's what I like. We got us some seed potatoes. We got some red potatoes. Now last year I planted one of these. I swear it was only a 3-pound bag, and it got me about 20 plus pounds of potatoes. Now this year I got 2 bags, and I turned this into my potato deck right here. There's some fresh garlic trying to revive after winter right there, and I planted some yellows in there, some Yukon Golds, and I'm going to split this right here and a little bit over there with these reds, and then I'm going to mix in these onions. So hopefully this will turn out. Rough the soil up here. Daggone. Get the weeds out. Now we're going to plant these today, and when the sprouts come up, we're going to put some amended soil on it, maybe some compost from my bin over there. We're going to plant these today and let them sit for a little bit. It's the middle of April. It's April. It's almost tax day, April 14th. So really nice. I mean, really nice seed potatoes. I'm going to plant them about 4 inches deep. And look, I mean, some people cut theirs up. I don't need to do that. I don't have enough room as it is, probably. There's a bunch in here too. This is probably too many. This is going to be small potatoes, but that's okay, basically, because red potatoes are supposed to be small, don't you think? I think so. That way you can broil them and all that happy stuff. Oh, these fuckers. Yeah, some of these are maybe a little too far gone. We're gonna wrap it around like that. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's how I'm doing it. Yeah, these fuckers, they were wet in the place, so some of the bags were rotten, so I'm not real sure how that's gonna work out, but we're not gonna worry about that. Turn this shit up here. Get those out of there for now. Alright, we got 5 left, so this worked out pretty well last year, so I pretty excited. Hopefully do as well. Hopefully. We'll see. Okay. These things seem way long to me. They seem way long. I don't know. That's probably a good one. That's probably a good one here. Because they both. Cover that fucker up. Cover him up. Uh-oh. And that is the potato part. Now, throw some onion sets out there. Just remember that side goes down. And I'm just spreading these everywhere. Whatever happens, happens. These things grow like weeds. So I can harvest them before the potatoes get too big. That'll work out just right. Trying to remember where the potatoes are. I'm sure I'm over top of a few of them, but I'm alright. I ain't worried about it. Man, there's a bunch of these suckers too. Keep an eye on me, folks. This might be the best year ever. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there, folks. Plant some stuff. I'll have to wait till May. We'll see what happens. They call this companion planting. Again, I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but I like green onions. I like not having to buy stuff, and I like having my own stuff to eat because I grew it myself. Again, don't be so picky about stuff. Stick them in the ground, they want to grow. And that's all I'm gonna do for now. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do.